TouchTour for iPad is an innovative mobile solution designed to transform the leasing experience and walking tour. It's a powerful leasing tool that combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly design and mobile flexibility, providing a seamless experience for both leasing agents and prospective residents. TouchTour for iPad will be tailored to match your brand and feel like a natural extension of your property's identity. TouchTour seamlessly integrates with your CRM to start a guest card on the go. The intuitive design ensures that navigating through floor plans, amenities, galleries, and other property details is a breeze. One of the standout features is our interactive map, Site Map. Leasing agents can showcase available units and where they are in proximity to property amenities. We've integrated rich multimedia elements like high-quality photos, virtual tours, and videos directly into the sitemap interface. With a tap, leasing agents can provide accurate information on which units are available and queue up the leasing application when the timing is right, ensuring a smooth leasing process. The neighborhood map showcases specific points of interest like shopping, dining, recreational activities, and other attractions. This immersive experience helps create a vivid picture of what a community and the surrounding area has to offer. Get insights into user interactions and preferences with our robust analytics and reporting tools to help you optimize your leasing strategy. Elevate your leasing experience, streamline workflows, and give your leasing teams the power of TouchTour in the palm of their hands. If you have any questions or would like a personalized demo, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.